Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create smooth professional explainer videos using consistent characters across multiple scenes. This method works great for onboarding tutorials, corporate training, or any kind of educational content that needs clear, visual explanations of complex ideas.
Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate across various sectors. They offer investors a way to earn dividends from real estate investments without directly owning properties.
Behind the scenes, this setup uses Nano for generating consistent characters, Kling 2.5 for creating videos, 11 Labs for voice generation, and PixVerse for lip syncing. It's a 7-step process and pretty cost-efficient compared to other video generation techniques that require speech. On average, it costs about 6 credits for every 10 seconds, which comes out to roughly 60 cents. Step 1 is generating our character scenes. We start with an existing character and use Nano to place them in a few different settings. The key here is to maintain consistency across shots. Always make sure the character is facing the camera so the lip syncing step later works smoothly. Here, I'm working with 2 starting images. Step 2 is animating the scene. We use Kling 2.5 Turbo to generate a 10-second video of the character talking. Don't worry about audio yet. Focus on keeping the face visible and avoiding any actions that would block it, like drinking or turning away. The idea is to create a clean shot of the person talking that will later sync with speech. Next, in Step 3, we generate our script. I'm using a simple text transform block here, which runs on GPT-5 in the background. The key is to make the language sound conversational and natural, not like a written article. Once we have our script, Step 4 is to break it into smaller sections. Each section should be 1 sentence or phrase that can be spoken in under 10 seconds. This works around the current limitation of video generation length. You can later experiment with chaining or stitching clips together, but for now, keeping them short gives the most consistent results. Now for Step 5, we generate the audio for each sentence. Here we're using 11 Labs version 3. You can experiment with different voice styles to match the tone or setting of your video. Just remember that each audio clip should be equal to or shorter than your video clip. If it's longer, you'll need to adjust your script from Step 4.
Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate across various sectors.
Step 6 is where it all comes together with lip syncing. We take the silent video from Step 2 and the speech from Step 5, and we pass them through a lip syncing block using PixVerse. This reanimates the mouth movements to match the voice perfectly. Any extra frames beyond the audio length are automatically trimmed.
State investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate across various sectors.
Finally, Step 7 is combining everything. We use the Real Create block with the sequential edit option to join all the clips together. The result is a complete explainer video made up of multiple consistent scenes with natural speech and smooth transitions.
Are companies that investment trusts, REITs, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate across various sectors. They offer investors a way to earn dividends from real estate investments without directly owning properties.
In this example, I only created 2 scenes, but the same process applies for longer videos. Just duplicate the steps, extend your script, and you'll have a full-length, consistent character explainer ready to go.